Hello everybody, we are going to start exercise 3B, New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1. Question 1 is evaluate each of the following. So this is addition of decimal, the number with decimals. Question 1, part A, that is equal to 2.5 plus 0.2. So write here 2.5. Just make the alignment with the decimal. So 5 plus 2 7, decimal 2 plus 0 2. So this is answer. Part C is 0.064 plus 1.53. So make sure the alignment. We can write 0.064 and 1.53. So just need to care the decimal place. Here we can write 0 because this is a decimal. After decimal, no problem, we can place 0 on the right side. So this is equal to 495.1. So this is answer. Part D is 2.12 plus 0.97. So we will write 2.12 0.97. Just make sure that the decimal should be in alignment. 7 plus 2 9, 10, 1 carry, so this will be 2 plus 1 3. So this is answer. Part F of this question, 0.064 plus 1.54. So 0.064 and 1.54, this is 0. So here we can place 0 because this is decimal. 4, 10, this is 6, 1, this is answer. Question number 2 is evaluate each of the following. These are with minus sign. Question number 2, part A is 9.5 minus 8.2 minus 8.2. So 9.5 minus 8.2. So 3 decimal, this is 1. So this is answer. Part C is 9.813 minus 1.6. So 9.813 minus 1.6. So we can place here 0 0. So 3 1, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 6 2, decimal, this will be 8. So this is answer. Part E or F, part F, 7.8 minus 0.92. So we will write 7.8 and this is 0.92. So here we can place 0. So this is 0 plus 2 2, 8 plus 9 17, 7 plus 1 8. So this is answer. Question 3. This is multiplication. 1 4 7 2 into 8 multiplied by 8. So 8 into 2 16, 1 carry, 8 7 are 56 and 1 57, 57, so 5 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 5 37, 3 carry, and 8 ones are 8 plus 3 11. So now where is the decimal? Decimal place is 1 2 after 2 digit from right side 1 2. So this is the answer. This was part A. Part C is 21 multiplied by 3.652. So 3.652 multiplied by 21. 2 ones are 2, 5, 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3, then 2 twos are 4. We will leave one place here. So 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 and 1 13, 1 carry, 2 threes are 6, 1 7. So add 2 9 6 6 7. Where will be the decimal? Decimal, if we count 1 2 3, 3 digit total. So from right 1 2 3 after 3 digits. So this is answer. Part D, that is 0.0.045 into 8 multiplied by 8. So 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, this is 4, 8 4 is 32 plus 4 36, 3 carry, then 3. So now decimal 1 2 3, 1 2 3, this is decimal place, so we can write here 0. So this is answer. Question number 4. This is again multiplication. 14.72 multiplied by 1.2. So 1472 multiplied by 1.2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8 and 1 carry 9, 2 ones are 2, 1 twos are 2, this will be vacant space, 2 7, 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1. So 4 6 9 plus 7, that is 16, 1 carry, this is 7 and this is 1. Now where is the decimal place? If we count the number here 1 2 3, so we will count all the right side number digits that are 3 digits. So 1 2 3. So this is the answer, 17.664. Now part B, that is 130 0.4 multiply by 0.15. 0.15. So 4 5s are 20. So here 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 5 0, and this is 2. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, and 1 6. Then leave vacant this space. 4 0, 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 0 6 5 9 1. So how many digits on the right side of decimal? We will count in both the lines. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this is the answer. Now question number 4. Question 4 part A, that is equal to 1472 into 1.2. So 1472, so that is 1.2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 2 1s are 2, and leave it vacant this space. First unit place. 1 2s are 2, 7 4, 1 1s are 1, that is 4 6, 9 plus 7, that is 16, and this is 7 and 1. So where is the decimal place of decimal will be 1 2 3, total 3 digit. After 3 digit, this is answer. Part D, 0.25 into 1.963. So 1.963 multiply by 0.25, 0.25. So 5 3s are 15, when 1 carry, 5 6 are 30, 31, 3 carry, 5 9s are 45, 3 48, 4 carry, and 5 1s are 5, and 4 9. Leave this vacant. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, and 1 19, and 2 1s are 2 or 1 3. 5 7 10 9 18 19, and this is 3 plus 1 4. So where is the decimal place? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 here. So put here and then place 1 0, 0 point this one. So this is answer. Question number 5, part A, 0.81 divided by 3. We have to divide this one. So there are two methods of division. So first let's see 0.81 into, actually this 3 means 3 by 1, so we can reverse it, 1 by 3. Make multiplication and reverse the number. And for this one, that is remove this decimal point. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So 27 by 100. 27 by 100. So now this is 27 by 100, and we can write this one 27 its decimal is here right now, because here we have two zeros, so decimal will move 2 points. So from here to it will come 1 point, then second point, this one 27. So 0.27 is answer. Other method is division method. 0.81 divided by 3. So now there is a decimal, so we will place here decimal. We can write here 0. So 3 2s are 6, 2 and 1 carry, 3 7s are 21. So this is the 0.27 answer. So question 5 part B. 3.426 divided by 4. So by division method, 3.426 divided by 4. So this is 3 and 3 is smaller, so we can write here 0 point, because this is smaller, so we can place here decimal. So 4 8 is a 32, 4 minus 2 2, and we can take here one number here 2. So 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 2, and now again take one digit here 6, and 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. So 6 minus 4 2. So 2 is smaller, we can place 1 0 here, because that is a decimal already there, so we can put 1 0. So 4 5s are 20. So this is the answer. So this was division method. Part C is 0.266 divided by 8. So 0.266 divided by 8. So here we see that first there is a decimal place here, decimal 0 point decimal, and now 8 3s are 24. So 2 here, and take 6 from here, one number. So 8 3s are 24, 2, and then this is smaller, we can place 1 0. So 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16. This is 4, and we can, because there is a decimal, we can put 1 0, because 4 was smaller. 8 5s are 40. So this is answer. Now part D, that is 6.984 divided by 32. So 6.984 divided by 32. Now this 6 is small, so it means we have to place here 0 point decimal. So 32s are 64. This is 5, and from here we will take 8, one number from here. So 31s are 30, 32 ones are 32. So this is 8 minus 2 6, and 2, one number from here, that is 4. Now multiply 32 So 32 multiplied by 8, this is 256 multiplied by 8. So 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8. 5 minus 5, 0. So this is 8. Smaller, we can place 1 0. So 32s are 64. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 7 minus 6, that is 1. So we can place one more 0 here. So 32 into 5, that is 160. So this is the answer. So question number 6. Question 6. Find the value of each of the following. Part A, that is 0.81 divided by 0.3. So this is equal to 81 over 100. So remove, because on right side there are 2 digits, so we will put 2 zeros here, divided by, this is 3 by 10. Remove, decimals are removed because 1 digit, so 1 0 here. So that is 81 over 100 multiplied by 10 by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 81. 0 cancel with this one. So this is 27 over 10, and this is 1 0. So decimal will be from here to here, because by default decimal is here on the extreme right. So this will be 2.7. This is answer. Now part B is 1.32 divided by 0.12. So 132 over 100, and this is 12 over 100, because on right side 2 digits. So when decimal removed, so no value of 0. So that is equal to 132 over 100 multiply 100 by 12. So these zeros are cancelled with this one, and 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 1 carry, 12 ones are 12. So 11 is answer. Now the part C is 3.426 divided by 0.06, that is equal to 3426 over 1000 divided by 6 by 100. From decimal 2 digits, so that is by 2 zeros. So that is equal to 3426 over 1000 and multiply by 100 over 6. This is reversed. So 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3. So 2 zeros cancel with this 2 0, 5 7 1 over 10, and that is equal to decimal from here to here, 5 7 decimal 1. So this is answer. Now part D of this question, 4.35 divided by 1.5. So 435 over 100, and this is 15 by 10 decimal remove, and that is equal to 435 over 100 multiply by, this will be 10 by 15. This 0 with the, cancel with this 0, and 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35, and now this is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 29 by 10, and this will be 2.9, because 1 0, so decimal from here to here. This is answer.